Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokche Design. In this video, you're going to learn how to change the color of the eyes in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start by bringing in a hue/saturation adjustment layer. Check the colorize checkbox, then adjust the hue slider to a color of your choosing. Use the Control or Command I shortcut to invert the layer mask of the hue/saturation layer. Activate the brush tool from the toolbar and make sure the hardness is set to 50%, flow is set to 100%, and the foreground color is set to white. Slowly paint over the iris to reveal the color we set in the hue/saturation adjustment. Change the blend mode to hue to preserve the original luminosity. Feel free to further adjust the hue slider as per your liking. Bring in a curves adjustment layer, then hold the Alt or Option key and click and drag the layer mask of the hue/saturation layer on top of the curves layer. Change the blend mode to color dodge and reduce the fill to 35%. In the curves window, drag the black slider a bit towards the right as per your preference. Next, bring in a second curves adjustment layer and change the blend mode to screen. Use the Control or Command I shortcut to invert the layer mask, then activate the brush tool from the toolbar and make sure the hardness is set to 0% and the flow is set to 5%. With the foreground color set to white, slowly paint over the whites of the eye. Bring in one last curves adjustment layer and bring the curves line up a bit in the highlights area and down a bit in the shadows area to improve the overall contrast. Finally, let's look at the before and after images. Looks good to me. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.